In this video, I will show you how to use flight credit on American Airlines. So you can see right here that if you cancel any one of the seats or plans that you have chosen into the website, you have full refund of travel credit. Now, if you actually do that and you want to book another flight with your flight credit, you can just find your flight credit number in the email that you receive from American Airlines, or you can also check your wallet section into aa.com. Now you can just browse and select the flights that you want to book using your travel credit. Then after that, click on select option. And then from in here, select the actual next thing, which is the return. So wait for this. So here's the trip summary. Just scroll down and click on continue as guest, or you can just also log in. After that, just fill up your information and you can choose see in here your card statement credit as well as passenger details, trip to contact. From in there, click on continue and you should be able to pay for your flight credit in there as well.